Everyone is not intended to appear for every exam and qualify every exam. So it's really important to understand your constraints, limitations, and based on that, prepare for the examination that well suits you. So, what should be a strategy for students who are not very good at the subject, who are relatively weak? Now, one important decision that you can take is you can appear for CTET for school grade examinations, but yes, still, if you want to appear for NET examination, there are some important takeaways that you must keep into account. The first very important thing that you must keep into mind while appearing for your NET examination is NET over the years has become more applicative and more conceptual. So, having in depth subject knowledge becomes really, really important. Now, for some reasons, if you feel that you are not good at a particular section of a subject, let's say in the subject there are various domains, let's say we say there are 10 domains, you are good at 5 domains but not good at other 5 domains. In that case, you would have to work harder on those domains in which you are not good. The domains which you feel you are medium at, or you can actually perform okay, for now don't focus on those domains, but yes, definitely the ones that you feel are really, really challenging for you. Now, what would be a right strategy to work for it? We definitely don't recommend that going through coachings or spending huge amount of money on this would help you turn out into a good student. Obviously not. So one important thing is focus and attention, interest in your subject area, and then a dedicated strategy which could help you achieve. For all this, one other important thing is you should be good and fluent in the language in which you are preparing your subject. So let's say you are preparing in English. So if you are fluent and you can understand English, comprehend English well, then definitely you can go for lectures, you can go for study material. For students who are bilingual, can actually use the translate option, translate certain sections of it back to Hindi and English or your regional language in English, and then you can understand where you are actually not able to understand the key things, and this would definitely help you through. But remember that if you feel that you are not good, you definitely want to go for NET examination, and if I'm spending thousands and thousands of rupees going for coaching, spending a huge sum on coaching material, on preparation material, that would turn me into a good student? Obviously not. The key thing is within yourself. You have to focus, you have to create interest, you have to remain dedicated, and once that is set, you can definitely achieve your goals. So definitely we'll come up with another series where we would be talking about preparation strategy for students who are bilingual, students who are relatively good at one of the subjects but weak in paper 2 or weak in paper 1. So stay tuned for more updates from our side, and hopefully these small tips would help you sail through your examination. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Do subscribe.